Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to solve internet problem setting in our Motorola phone. Guys, you want to solve your internet problem, so guys you can solve it. And guys, now let's see how to solve internet problem in our Motorola phone device. In this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to solve your internet problem. Then guys, scroll it, system setting, advanced, reset option, reset setting. Guys, tap here, and guys this reset setting, tap here. And guys, don't worry, you have any pin, password, pattern, any lock, so draw your pattern. And guys, you have any pin, so enter your pin. Reset setting, so internet setting, network setting has been reset in your Motorola phone. Then guys, you can see your internet. So as your internet problem has solved in your Motorola phone device, then guys you can use your internet setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem in your mobile internet settings, so wait, don't worry, take a screenshot and guys send me on comment section. I will check and I will help you friends. Bye bye, thanks for watching.